Hi, I'm Dan O'Farrell, and I run the product marketing function for IGEL. IGEL is a company headquartered in Germany, in Bremen, Germany, that offers software for the access of virtualized desktops, applications, and cloud workspaces. So I'll explain what that means. But essentially, it enables companies to be much more secure and to highly simplify the management of all those asset tagged corporate devices that all your people are using. So we call ourselves the next gen Edge OS for cloud workspaces, and really what we do is we clean up the mess of all these different versions of Windows that are running in corporations, the different images that might be running on various endpoints, the various types of endpoints, whether they might be a Dell PC or an HP laptop or a Lenovo thin client. With our software and the management software that goes with it, you can easily unify all of those various types of endpoints onto a single, highly secure and easily managed operating system where you put Windows in the data center where it belongs. So one way to look at this is think of hospitals, think of government facilities, people working at home, people at work. If you move your Windows desktop into the cloud and put a lightweight Linux operating system on your endpoints, you can make it so much easier to manage and control all of that access. I'm going to move quickly through some of these statistics. What has happened is that Linux has emerged as the operating system of choice for accessing virtualized apps, desktops, and cloud workspaces. It's actually surpassed Windows. So by moving Windows into the data center or cloud, Linux has emerged as the operating system of choice, and our IGEL OS is based on Linux. So the typical model is, right, you've got your cloud-based services or your data center. If you take Windows off of your devices and move it up into the cloud, you can replace the operating system running on all those devices with our IGEL OS, which is based on Linux. This has two advantages. One is that your endpoints become much more secure because they're no longer running Windows. And the second advantage is it becomes much easier for this IT administrator to manage and control all those endpoints. By the way, we have a cool little device called the UD Pocket that allows you to pop it into a full-blown Windows PC and convert it instantly into a IGEL managed endpoint. It's called the UD Pocket. Super easy to configure. Just go through a couple screens and you can convert any Windows-based device into an IGEL-powered endpoint. What's really important to us, and one of the reasons we're here at the LG TechTour here in New York, is that we work with a lot of very important partners. So on the upper right, we've got all our key hardware partners, peripherals, desktop operating systems, and PCs, etc. Nutanix for hyperconverged. So we work with companies like LG to make sure that we can provide a great end-to-end solution. So without our partners like LG, we don't have the full solution. But with those guys, we do. And we have over 80 partners like LG integrated into our operating system, which means when you fire it up, you talk directly to LG with no problem. We use their all-in-one. We recommend their all-in-one. And digital signage is a huge use case for us in a number of different markets. So that's where LG comes into play. There are a lot of drivers here: Windows 10 migration, cloud computing, cost avoidance, also saving money on hardware when you're migrating, improving your security, standardizing all your endpoints, and accessing either AWS or the Azure cloud. So different environments will be very good opportunities for our technology. If you've got VDI already, you want to unify all that. If you're using Citrix, VMware, or Microsoft for virtualized desktops or apps, if you're moving to the Azure Windows Virtual Desktops or Amazon Cloud, or if you're in any one of these key vertical markets where security and compliance are paramount. We offer software in 2 packages, everything you need. It's called the Workspace Edition. If you want more capability, you can add it with a subscription to what we call the Enterprise Management Pack. Very, very simple. Order 1 or 2 SKUs and you've got it covered. And we also offer all kinds of services, advanced services for planning, maintenance, etc. So actually, that pretty much tells the story. We are a key player for accessing virtualized apps and desktops, or as an on-ramp to cloud-based services from the likes of AWS or Microsoft. If you'd like more information on IGEL, just simply go to igel.com. Thanks.